Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got you covered with not one, but two weight loss recipes using apple cider vinegar, ACV. These can be consumed in the morning on an empty stomach to help you shed those extra pounds. Apple cider vinegar, often referred to as ACV, has numerous benefits. It aids in digestion, boosts immunity, improves heart health, aids in weight loss, and promotes clear and glowing skin. ACV contains probiotics and a type of acid that supports the growth of these beneficial bacteria, which are essential for maintaining your health. ACV also possesses antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, helping to flush harmful toxins from your body. It promotes fat loss and reduces sugar cravings, making it an excellent addition to your weight loss regimen. One crucial thing to note is that you should use raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. The mother is composed of friendly bacteria with strands of proteins and enzymes, giving the vinegar a cloudy appearance. This is a sign of high-quality ACV. Now, let's get into the recipes. Recipe 1. Apple cider vinegar weight loss drink. Fill a glass with room temperature water. Warm it slightly if you're in a very cold place. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with the mother. Squeeze in half a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Add another half tablespoon of honey. Sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon, a fat pinch of cinnamon powder. Mix it thoroughly with a spoon. Consider using a straw to protect your tooth enamel. Have this drink on an empty stomach in the morning, 30 minutes before breakfast. For more significant weight loss results, you can consume another glass at bedtime, 30 minutes before or after dinner. Recipe 2. Apple cider vinegar orange weight loss drink. Squeeze the juice of 1 fresh orange into a glass. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with the mother. Fill the glass with water. Give it a good stir. Consume this drink on an empty stomach in the morning, 30 minutes before breakfast. For enhanced weight loss, you can have it twice a day. I hope you give these remedies a try and incorporate apple cider vinegar into your daily routine. You'll not only enjoy its fantastic health benefits but also experience weight loss and achieve clear, glowing skin. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with my latest videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.